Hi guys, it's Tata here. I'm so excited to introduce you to Crème Riche, our richest moisturizer ever. Our Velvet Moisturizing Cream is packed with 43 natural high-performance ingredients, so you know, it's not your average moisturizer. You're going to use Crème Riche as one of the final steps in your regimen after your serum and eye cream. Before applying, I love to take a small amount. A little bit really goes a long way. I warm it up in my hands to activate the sugars. This is where you'll see the formula transform into an amazing white velvet cream. To apply, massage onto your cheeks, your forehead, and your jawline. Make sure you don't forget your neck, which you should apply in an upward and backward motion. When it comes to skincare, consistency is everything, and this rich cream is no different. You're going to love using it every day.